Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's lesson, we'll be going over the active forms of the verb to see. This means that the subject of the sentence is active and doing the action. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. The Hebrew verb for to see is לראות. 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 To say I see or I'm seeing, as a male, say אני רואה. אני רואה. To say I see or I'm seeing as a female, say אני רואה. אני רואה. To say I saw for either a male or a female, say אני ראיתי. אני ראיתי. To say I will see for either a male or a female, say אני אראה. אני אראה. To say you see or you are seeing when referring to singular male, say אתה רואה. אתה רואה. To say you saw when referring to singular male, say אתה ראית. אתה ראית. To say you will see when referring to singular male, say אתה תראה. אתה תראה. To say you see or you are seeing when referring to singular female, say את רואה. את רואה. To say you saw when referring to singular female, say את ראית. את ראית. To say you will see when referring to singular female, say את תראי. את תראי. To say he is seeing or he sees, say הוא רואה. הוא רואה. To say he saw, say הוא ראה. הוא ראה. To say he will see, say הוא יראה. הוא יראה. To say she is seeing or she sees, say היא רואה. היא רואה. To say she saw, say היא ראתה. היא ראתה. To say she will see, say היא תראה. היא תראה. To say you are seeing or you see when referring to plural males, say אתם רואים. אתם רואים. To say you saw when referring to plural males, say אתם ראיתם. אתם ראיתם. To say you will see when referring to plural males, say אתם תראו. אתם תראו. To say you are seeing or you see when referring to plural females, say אתן רואות. אתן רואות. To say you saw when referring to plural females, say אתן ראיתן. אתן ראיתן. To say you will see when referring to plural females, say אתן תראו. אתן תראו. To say they are seeing or they see when referring to males, say הם רואים. הם רואים. To say they saw when referring to males, say הם ראו. הם ראו. To say they will see, when referring to males, say הם יראו. הם יראו. To say they are seeing or they see, when referring to females, say הן רואות. הן רואות. To say they saw, when referring to females, say הן ראו. הן ראו. To say they will see, when referring to females, say הן יראו. הן יראו. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.